share. So if you guys have been watching my videos, I actually tricked/trained a Chatgpt 4 model to predict essentially the stock market. It got the SPX right to 5264. It got Bitcoin right down to 56K. It got, I think, GameStop right to around 55 bucks. It got, right now it's currently, I back tested SPY back to like 430 and it predicted 500. So far it's 100% accurate. And right now I just fed it Tesla, Blackberry? Yeah, Blackberry. And also Snow. So it's actually looking for, and again, like I trained it on the model, right? It's actually going through some issues modifying the image. So I actually have it outputting the code, right? So I'm running it on Python, I'm running it on my computer. It's a custom code that I built feeding directly to ChatGPT 4. So I trained this model right over the weekend for basically essentially 2 days of straight training the model. And what happened was I actually got the outputs right here. So for Tesla, it actually thinks that it's going, again, this is the 4-hour chart on Tesla, right? This goes back maybe about 3 months, 2.5 months, right? This is the chart on Tesla. It thinks that it's going up to around maybe like 198, right? On Blackberry, it thinks that it's using the month, right? So it thinks that it's going to $10 on Blackberry, right? And for Snowflake, it actually thinks on the 4-hour that it's only going up to around 174-ish, right? On the 4-hour. So you can immediately tell where it actually is predicting these prices. So as of right now, it has been accurate to the T. It's been doing extremely well, right? And on INTC, right, for Intel, it actually gave, this is free sauce for you guys, it actually gave a roughly 47 price target, and I'm actually in these calls right now for about a month out. They're already up 20%. So again, and it actually predicted PLTR. And actually I forgot about that. I actually did PLTR. I actually took 100% gains on those today. And I actually switched up into Intel, and it's actually also predicting Meta or Facebook to 500 bucks. So far it's been 100% accurate every single time. And again, I'm using it more as a bias as opposed to actually just straight using it as like a trading base, because I have my own strategy that I'm implementing. If my bias, there's a bias for Meta to go to 500 based off of the AI, and my strategy says to take it, I'll take it, right? But this isn't solely based on this, right? I'm taking it with strategy. But again, it's pretty fucking wild, guys, and it's been 100% accurate ever since I've been testing it. And again, it took me, 2 days, fully days to train the model, and it's consistently being built out, right? And again, I fed it a custom Python code that I wrote myself. I fed it a bunch of images and a bunch of prompts to essentially give me what this output is, right? Which is essentially giving me its target on the actual screenshot or on the image that I upload myself. So yeah, it's pretty fucking wild.